Let us continue with our lesson. So we have added successfully our process dialog over here, our process bar, and next step is that whenever we have successfully completed the request and we get the response back to our over here, what we want to do is we want to show a dialog to our user that whether it was success or a failure. So for that we will create a we will create a two dialog over here, and I'll say private and function of we say succe as a success success dialog, and similarly we will create another one function is of a private function, and that we will call it as a uh, error, so error or r, so error error dialog. So we have two functions, one is of a success, another one is of an error. So dialog, sorry that. Okay, so I think we have a code early, so let's go to the auth and login activity. So we have somewhere code for the alert. So just copy this section over here, and let me close this one, and over here let me just paste that one too. Okay, and let me just place it over here too. Just hit Alt and Enter to import the alert from Equino. And what we'll do, we have to just create a title and the message. So what I will do is I will just go to these values over here and go to this screen, and let us create a button. Okay, so the dialog over here. So I will say a string of a name, let's say error title, and the error title, let's say something like error out, and let's create a message for the error, so string, and we can say error message, and error message I can just say as we can give some error message like, let's say the HDR radio was ER error, please try again. So we have this error message, and we also need to create for a success. So what I will do is string of a name as a success, succe as a success title. Okay, so alert, I think we make it as alert, so it may be more easy for us to find. So alert alert, and alert alert, and also for this one alert success title. So we can just say that this is succe, or we can just say great, right? And we can just create a string of a name of, let's say alert alert succe success message, and we can give like say uh, update successful, or we can say a generic we say as a success if you are fully updated. Now we can, if we say that updated, I think we have to make sure of this is a alert success message for the, or we can say alert edit success message. So maybe it's more easy for us to find it. So what we will do now is we will make use of this too. So I will just go over here and title, we will just replace it with the something like error, like error. So I think that is error confirm now. So alert, sorry, alert error title, and this one to alert error message, and that should be okay. And this one, something like this is of alert success title, and this one to alert, alert success. Okay, so what was that one? I forgot. So alert edit success. So just copy this one and just paste it over here. Okay, so we have a two success dialog, a success dialog as well as the error dialog. So what we will do now is over here, when we have a success code, we will just show that success. So it's the success dialog, and if we have an error, we just go and show error dialog. And when the user clicks on this one, so what we need to do is whenever we click the OK button, what we can do is we can actually go back to the home screen. So let's test it out, this one first, and let's run the application, and let's wait for the gradle wheel to complete, and we should be back here. Okay, so the application is started, and let's go use the first one, and I will just change it to something completed and just hit OK. So we have a process dialog, and yeah, we have a dialog box. So great, successfully updated. Just click on OK. So whenever we click on OK, what we want to do is we want to go back to the home screen. So we cannot go back to this screen because this is still not updated, because this is the data that we are passing from the home screen. So what we need to do is whenever we are on edit screen and we have successfully edited it, we need to go back to the home screen to get refresh our data, because it will get a new data from the server. So that's why we need to come back to this home screen after we have successfully updated. So let's do it in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day.